My next question is for you, Pati G. If you have to make a Colors Door supergroup track, who's on it and who does what? Like a track of all the rappers in this town. Maybe singers too.
If it depends on me, Exile obviously eerste wat vir hom boodskap stuur.
Uh,
Want hy's klaar deel van
number
alles.
one.
Ja. En as sanger op die track sal ek vir Tok gebruik, shout out vir Tok. Hy het 'n paar tra vocal en dinge. En dan sal ek nou vir Zouzai include en vir Toast.
Yeah, that's like
Hy's
four
myne.
people.
Hy's my top 4.
Okay, that's good. If you have to make a supergroup track, what would be? Who would do what? Who will have the first verse? Who would have the second verse? And who's the Beyonce, the Quavo, or the Wayne of the group? Who's the Lil Wayne of the group?
I don't. Okay, for me, if it is to come from me, and like I'm the producer also, but they would go on first verse, Talk on the chorus, Jose second verse, and then for the third verse, I think we should split it between Stony and Toast. Like, yeah. So it is him, and then Stony and Tuesday, and then Talk on the chorus. Yeah.